How do you eat an elephant? An article a day keeps the job away. I wish that I could take credit for the title and subtitle of this video, but I can't. This weekend I received emails from two well-known internet marketers, and the above came from their messages. However, the messages they were both trying to get their readers to understand were the same. In building your business, there are two key factors to keep in mind. How do you eat an elephant? Answer: one small bite at a time. You build your business by learning one skill at a time, and applying what you learn. Before learning the next skill, you double your sales by improving your marketing skills in steady, incremental steps. An article a day keeps the job away. To market effectively, you need continuous daily exposure. The latest figures I have seen is that the average person needs to be exposed to something 7 times before they really take notice of it. As for online marketing, I believe that the number is much higher. To market successfully, you need to be continuously improving your skills, as well as learning new ones, and increasing your exposure to potential prospects or customers. Taking consistent action on a daily basis will create a fertile environment for your business to grow.